Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set stop loss on Webull for options trading. So first, open your Webull app and log in into your account. After that, go to the order screen and make sure sell is selected. Next, tap on order type and choose stop order. Now enter your stop price. This should be below the current price. So you only exit if the trades goes against you. So for example, if you break even is around $18, you might set your stop slightly below that to limit your loss. Once the price hits your stop, Webull will automatically place a market sale order and choose your position. Make sure to enter the same number of contracts you originally bought, then choose time in force. Day expires today, while good sell cancelled keeps it active longer. Now here's the important part. A stop order does not guarantee price. If the market drops fast, your order could feel lower than expected. To fix that, use a stop limit order instead. This lets you set both a stop price and the minimum price if you're willing to accept. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.